I'm Nadej Fleurimond, and this is how to make Cajun-style boiled peanuts. Boiled peanuts provide a filling and fun summertime snack. Bring them to your next gathering and you'll be the star of your next party. Take 1 pound of green, also known as raw peanuts, and wash them thoroughly. Place your washed peanuts into a stock pot or a Dutch oven. Once you've placed your peanuts, you'll add 1/5 cup of salt and 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Add 12 cups of water, cover, place on the stove on low to medium heat and let simmer anywhere from 4 hours to 10 hours, depending on the consistency you like your boiled peanuts. Cracking the shells of your boiled peanuts and enjoying the yummy goodness on the inside is a great way to enjoy any road trip or your favorite show on television. Enjoy them.